Wild Eye Reactions.
Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to another month of Wild Eye Reactions. We are, for November here, we're taking it to a different venue. We're not going to be downstairs in the green basement. We're here. We're going to have the movie up above us, so you guys can watch it up there. We do this every month, every fourth-ish Saturday of the month. Last month, I know, or 2 months back, we were had it on the 5th Saturday, but that's because there was 5 Saturdays that month, so we had 2 to choose from. But anyway, November, it's Thanksgiving.
Woo!
You guys, yeah.
All that turkey.
Book sales, conventions, yay!
Turkey.
All that turkey, all that
turkey.
stuffing. We're stuffed with stuffing.
Potatoes, gravy on everything.
As you can
Pumpkin
tell,
pie.
she's very stuffed with. Oh wait, that's a baby. Anyway.
It's also a food baby.
Yeah. So, I am Bob. This is Mel. We got JD and Richard.
Yo!
And we're here to watch a great movie from Wild Eye Releasing.
A great movie?
I don't know. I haven't seen it yet. I'm guessing. So, you check them out, www.wildeyeReleasing.com.
It has an interesting title.
Yeah, well, let's see, guys. We're going to be doing Wolf House. Wolf House, you know, it's like, okay, this seems good. Seems like it's promising. So we'll see how it goes.
I wonder how wolves are at upkeeping a house.
I don't know.
I don't know. Do I seem like dogs when trouble?
Well,
Probably
you
not
know there's going to be
vacuum.
litter in the house.
Oh, well,
That's for cats.
Yeah.
Yes, but don't wolves have litters?
Damn it, I need Richard to taunt.
Yeah. We are cast and crew from Midnight Monster Movies with Dr. Bob. Like us on Facebook. Go look it up. Midnight Monster Movies with Dr. Bob. You're here on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. Click, like, subscribe down below here, please.
All the notifications and everything.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Ring the bell.
Oh, fuck the bell.
No one likes,
Language?
no one likes that bell, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just check in on us every so often. You know, we do
Twice
this
a month-ish.
Yeah. Also, we do our show every week in VR on AltSpace VR. With November is our first month of our off season on the monthly show at the Dwight Fry Underground Cinema. So, unless you're part of the fan club, if you're part of the fan club, you can get to watch the live stream and keep watching strange and unusual movies every first Saturday of the month.
Very strange and unusual.
Yes, I believe we just had Enderon, which is a Bollywood robot movie this month. So
That just sounds perfect.
today from Wild Eye, we've got Wolf House.
Ooh.
Yes, they're howling again. Wolf House. So you guys
House,
ready?
not howl.
Yeah. Buckled in.
What?
How would you feel if your brother was found partially eaten?
Ew.
Which brother?
When you tried to cope with the whole thing,
What was eaten?
people would tell you, you're crazy.
Oh, crazy.
Things that go bump in the night.
You know that there's a reason that house in Heartland has sat there vacant for 3 years.
3
That
years?
there's a reason the parents in that neighborhood won't let their kids
Try
anywhere
being
near
a
it.
house in Cleveland.
That thrill-seeking teenagers dare each other to spend a night
3 years is
in a
nothing.
wolf house.
Wolf House.
Wolf.
I'll stay though.
Wolf House!
Hey, that's awful quick. Here we go.
6 friends went on a camping trip to Heartland, New York.
Wait, isn't this Blair Witch?
Hey!
Oh, I hope it's better than what I
except for
was.
Doubled the number of people.
Rebecca Mann. Alice.
Devoured.
Curse you, Jeffrey Schwartz!
Schwartz.
Killer.
I
Killer.
thought that said Hitler.
Madam
Yeah,
McAdams.
it's like isn't it Will Smith's character?
And come and go for.
Oh boy,
Oh.
we've got a found footage movie, guys.
You should have warned us.
Oh,
I
You
didn't
might
know.
get
Man,
motion sickness.
inconclusive results.
I didn't know this was going to be found footage.
I hope no one gets
Yeah.
sick
Oh,
from
man,
motions.
Yeah.
Of course, the official cause of death is a wolf attack when there's no wolves.
it wasn't wolves. Wolf House.
Well, I mean, if they all full wolf
Is he in relation to Millhouse?
that?
We need a picture from. Is the movie playing? Hello.
Did
Hello?
it pause?
Introducing
Is it buffering?
the one
What's
and
going on?
only Olivia Hillard. Hello, hello. Thank you, thank you.
I do like your wall.
Oh my, put it down, Olivia.
I like what we did.
Too bubbly.
It's not a toy.
Too bubbly.
Hey.
Hey, turtles.
Ma!
Mom's not home. Do you know how much that camera cost?
No.
Take a guess.
$5.
More than your life. That's how much it cost.
250.
Hey!
Stopped it. Yeah, and Mom doesn't love you. No, look. Don't touch the camera, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Are you gonna touch the camera?
No.
Are you gonna touch the camera?
No.
No teenagers were harmed during the making of this film.
The
Yeah, thank you for
teenagers.
picking the camera up. I did not want to see a crotch shot.
You should have been here for September's movie.
Yeah, I'm going in the truck. It's the next week.
All filmed by a guy who didn't know what he was looking at.
No. Last chance.
Evidently, his barber didn't know what he was looking at.
Okay, that's the guy who's going to post Rebecca, and he's my first,
And
my
here we
pickle's
have the
first victim.
wild dinosaur in a natural habitat. Maybe a Joey
I don't know. I think the blonde might be.
He's not gonna make it.
You know who that the little guy with the brown hair looked like? He looked like Discount Caesar DeNovio.
Looked like Discount Crispin Glover.
Dude,
Nice to meet
you need to die just because of your haircut.
You're both gonna die soon.
Shut up.
Yeah, but he's going to go before she will.
Are you gonna shoot something? I am. I'm shooting you.
Lick me?
Kick.
I should help us out.
See what I mean? Like
Don't worry about it.
he looks a bit like Dave Camfield.
Really?
The correct answer is now shove that down his throat.
This is your.
Can we pick up the camera, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need
I'm
a
not supposed to
steady
kick him in the
shot
ass
of
for
his
5
crotch.
days. What the hell do you want me to do?
Especially
Chef?
now with his pants on.
What we would have done if he wasn't here in the first place, maybe.
He should have been here for September.
Can we,
Yeah.
we haven't, you
No, look.
You
I'm
definitely
trying to
got. I
figure
should have been here for
Okay, and
September.
I've been working pretty damn hard to do
I don't
it.
know if we should have been here for September's.
What's he got to do with you?
And to all my friends.
Oh, shit.
That wasn't even planned.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe I got that on camera. Did you see that?
I bet you that was not.
This is the most honest and realistic part of the film.
He really did do the slide. He did not mean to. But at least they didn't break character.
So we gotta watch
That was a nice fall.
We gotta watch that right now.
Welcome to my party.
That was creepy.
Yeah, young Caesar.
Extreme!
Dude, that's not that extreme.
Dude, I've seen 7-year-olds tackle that incline.
I mean, I've slipped down that hill more than once,
That's
but
right.
yes.
Great, if I fall, definitely.
Okay, this is more extreme, possibly. Of course, it's
I don't think
got
those are the
chalk.
right gloves.
There's spray paint.
Yeah.
How the hell did you get up here so quick?
There's stairs.
There's not stairs. Screw you.
Hey, you ever see Lion King?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no.
Okay, alright, good job, movie, good job.
I don't think it's big.
If you guys don't think that's Bigfoot, then you're all pretty delusional, because that is Bigfoot.
Oh, you guys think you guys got the find of the century now, don't you?
Come make $1 million it's off Bigfoot, dude. Have you ever seen Harry and the Hendersons?
Yeah, that was not funny.
We've seen it.
I've never heard of anyone refer to Harry and the Hendersons in a documentary
MySpace.
fashion.
Yeah.
Oh God, taking this out.
I'm a little ashamed it wasn't me.
Wow.
My name is George
So what are we
Henry.
gonna do? We can't just leave it here.
Oh, dude, no, I am all for leaving that here, man.
You know, I'm kind of for the two of these guys dying now together. The guy with the bad haircut and the guy who just shouldn't be
The
here.
other guy with the bad haircut.
Yeah.
I got one to judge.
I don't like it.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
You just killed the last surviving Bigfoot. What are you gonna do?
I'm going to Disneyland.
I'm going to Disneyland.
Why don't you tell us
John, like the idiot that he is, shot some sort of animal, and a freaking huge one at that.
Oh, God, Joey, give us a big mother.
We're going to take it to the proper place and call the proper authorities. The proper place is in Jerry's garage.
Christopher Lee would love to have a basement that big.
You guys ever seen Harry and the Hendersons?
It's the
My
second time
God!
I've heard that.
It's gonna be just like that on your front.
Do you really want Harry and the Hendersons? Do you remember what happens in that movie?
Like, who was really pushing to get the line, have you guys seen Harry and the Hendersons in this movie?
What if it's not dead?
It's going to start moving.
Yeah, you're
That
right.
is Harry and the Hendersons.
What the? Wait, when do we start doing this?
Anyone would ever like him.
I do. I love him so much.
Oh, honey. I've known him for so long.
I love you. Oh,
I'm sorry.
Yep, there it is. Yep.
Because that's what bullets do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wouldn't want to be your neighbors.
You are in big trouble, pal.
If anything, I'm off the
Yeah, well, it's a wild animal. It's a
I want half of these garbage bags.
Go to a garbage
Yeah,
can.
you
It
can
is going
die.
to kill someone's dog or child.
Either way, I'm
Cool.
not.
Oh my god!
No.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, hey.
Come on! Wolf Mooney! Beside not the film. Oh, it's Santa Claus!
That was kind of cool.
Run, run!
Okay.
Alright, now I'll calmly stand here by the door.
Oh, there she went.
Oh, shit's not happening.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
What the hell?
Okay.
Did you guys see that?
Wait, what kind of a movie are we making here?
No idea what I just saw.
What's our monster supposed to be?
No,
Was that Gollum?
Who's up here? There's something over there, and I don't know what it is.
That might be very
No, it was something else. I don't know what it was. It was.
As long as it's not John Malkovich, because that'd get killed.
Wasn't one of those things though. I was up here, and I was just sitting up here, and I heard you guys gunshots and whatever, and then I heard a noise over in the corner. I looked over, and it's gonna sound crazy. I don't know how else to explain it, but it looked like a man with no eyes. I know that makes no sense. I know it doesn't, but that's what it looks like.
Just to the scriptwriter.
I'm not crazy. I know I'm not crazy.
Yes, you are.
So why don't we just run? Why don't we just get rid of it? We're so close.
That thing's not gonna let us run. We gotta stay in place.
Is that a sketch
We'll
of
make it to morning.
McDonald's?
What's gonna happen in the morning? I try to call the cops. I think it's a prank. What's gonna happen in the daylight?
Yeah, now that you said that, I can't see it.
It's 20 feet. It's 20 feet from the door, John. You made it.
It's
different. You know that. Why is it different? Why is it different? How is it different? Just saying. What are you trying to say? You'll never make it, Alan. You little weak bitch.
What the hell was that? You gotta get out of here. Gotta be careful. Get out of here. Donna, come on.
Alan, move it.
Hey,
Donna, come on.
That's fireplace. It's the Dunn household.
Yeah.
Joey.
Mom, you're probably not gonna see this, but I just want to say I'm sorry.
Blair Witch.
Yep. I am
All those times we
so
fought.
scared.
The stuff I said, I didn't mean any of it. I was just trying to hurt you. She's an older
Can I agree with something that Bob said earlier? I hate found footage movies.
Yeah.
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 They're usually not very good.
No.
And this one follows into all the traps that they do.
Yeah.
I mean, this was actually kind of above average, it seems like.
It's above average, but that's setting a very low bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when your average is
Says there's 20 to 30 years now.
Cloverfield is probably one of the better ones of the found footage movies.
Yeah.
And
Troll Hunter's kind of top of it.
Troll Hunter is great.
oh,
Troll Hunter
Troll
was
Hunter.
No, do that one.
Oh, that's one of the good ones.
That's one of the best ones I've ever seen.
Alan, move
Oh,
your
that was
ass.
good. Did you see the George Romero zombie
Go,
one?
get out of my
That was
way.
like
No.
Diary of the Dead.
Look,
I heard that
You
one
might need my
wasn't so
car.
great.
Look, listen to me. Listen to me.
It
I saw
wasn't the
exactly
best
what you
Dead
saw.
movie, but it was
Okay,
better
I
than
know
most
that there are
footage.
things in this house.
Things with no eye.
Hold on.
And this is what's going on. All that's going on there, and we're talking
We need to
about
get
other
out of here.
movies.
We need to get out of
It's
here
not
now.
holding
There
us.
are things in this house. They're in this house.
It's everyone's yelling at each other.
What the hell is
When you can't understand everybody.
Yeah, when you can't focus on the action, it makes it very hard to be interested.
And this conflict,
that was a dude.
We just killed one of their people?
I think they did. I think they just shot Tattoo Boy.
No, I don't think so, because it was shotless, and there was no tattoos on the body.
Yay! Finally, he gets it. Yes. Alan was the big douchebag, the skinny douchebag.
Yeah, because they kept screaming his name, and after Bob decided to do the Alan from Jurassic Park 3, I keep going.
Whoa, hey!
Oh yeah, cool.
Oh, it's just a guy in a prosthetic.
He's like, hey, I got a camera, can I eat it?
Okay, he can film us the film.
Yeah, he's interesting. Alright. Why wasn't he our main character? He's more intelligible. Where the fuck did these people come from?
WTF.
No, that was September's movie. Hide in the oven! Hide in the oven!
Well, everything from under the sink has been pushed all over the floor, so let's look anywhere else but under the sink.
He's like, I don't fit well, but I want to make myself. Just have to move this foot.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
You're not very well hidden at all.
Interesting.
Yeah. It's definitely a man in a suit.
Yeah.
But
They're using
that's
the Land Strider from Dark Crystal method.
far better than doing CGI.
Yeah.
Especially when the dark lighting manages to hide
A lot of it,
a
yeah.
lot of it, yeah.
Yeah, they've made the good decision not to show a lot of it.
Yeah.
So, is it getting ready? Oh, it's looking for him.
Yeah. He clearly doesn't track by smell.
Yeah.
Very unwolf-like of it.
Here's the problem with putting yourself under the sink.
You got nowhere to go.
Yeah. You can't run past it because by the time you get out from under there, you're dead.
And you can't really defend yourself from that position because you're all scrunched up.
It was a stupid thing to do.
You basically turn yourself into a sardine.
Well, luckily the wolf is not smart. You hear that?
Are you seriously going to turn and walk away?
Maybe he just doesn't want to eat something that crapped itself. Oh, no.
No, maybe it's just taking its time.
Oh, there's Donna.
Donna's fine. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Donna will live.
She will. She's. I don't know where she's putting that. Wait, you're alive?
Did you see that thing? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Did you see that? We have to leave.
No, I didn't. We can't go out there.
The thing in the kitchen had nearly ate me. We have to...
Oh, shit.
Ooh, nice punch. I love these guys popping up out of nowhere. This is awesome.
Did you see the wound he had on the
Yeah.
palm?
Yeah.
If you're the prettiest girl in the world, don't say nothing. I knew it.
I don't like the intercutting like that.
Yeah, it doesn't
Yeah.
make sense. It only works on
Yeah.
VHS tapes, but not on VHS.
Donna?
I don't know, but I like them.
This movie took a turn for the.
Oh, somebody's still alive. Who was that?
I don't
tattoo
know,
guy.
but he just shot people in the garage.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, Donna and Tattoo Boy are still alive.
And so was the guy with the camera.
Obviously.
What?
Blood loss?
Oh my God, that's him! That's him!
Him?
He's in the other room!
Powerpuff Girls villain?
That's exactly who I thought of.
Be careful!
So they just really fall for everything.
Oh wow.
I want this camera. Those are not fired shells.
What the hell was that?
I don't think we're supposed to know that.
Walks away. I mean, I got your fallen. He's gonna follow by a wedge eventually.
Oh, lost our gun.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love these guys.
Yeah, I know.
It's like these guys are awesome.
I will
They
say,
come out of nowhere.
The ending is probably the best part here.
Oh, well.
No, he's dead.
Nope, sorry, he didn't make it. Any second now, the blood's gonna flow out.
Hey, don't leave her.
Look this.
Yeah, I mean, we got 10 minutes of movie left here.
Blue 42.
Alright. So, if they cut the stuff in order, it would make a little more sense about why the little guy was so pissed.
It kind of would, yeah.
I mean, you got the idea that he was just being dicked with the whole time.
Yeah, but...
She said yes.
So far, Donna is surviving.
That's nice for them.
Oh, stop it.
What?
I know that face.
What?
That face right there?
Whatever do you
The
mean?
face says,
We
give
will.
me a goddamn diamond ring or I'm gonna kill you.
What?
We will.
We will what?
That was the wrong answer.
The guy's still holding his camera even though he's dead?
I'm sorting this one out in my head and it doesn't work. Like, unless there's a strap involved.
Unless there's remember earlier.
The guy went, oh wait, what the shit? No.
Yeah.
He had the camera strapped to his forehead. Maybe somebody did that.
I don't think.
I don't know. I don't think.
I haven't seen the GoPro in a while. And you get more of a view than just the legs.
Leg.
So really, it's kind of dangling from his crotch at this
Wait a minute. That was definitely on tilting wheels.
Yeah, I know.
I could totally hear the wheels.
Really don't want to go. Come on, dude, it'll be fun.
And look, see, again, if they'd done this,
Seriously,
his
the guy just had
annoyance.
5 minutes. I'm already like covered head to toe in mud.
Yeah, if they'd had this
Try and have a good
cut
time
in at the
with you guys.
beginning, it definitely would have helped on his annoyance factor.
Oh, no
Oh, he fell down
I
again.
got it on tape again. I got that. Man.
I'm gonna go Shane.
Best camping trip. What is it? It's a camera. It still works.
It's the guys who found the camera.
Evidently, it has an everlasting battery.
Apparently.
They're climbing the.
Here, take this. I got.
It's dangerous to go alone.
Yeah, this goes in
I walked by the one that got in my head. I was hearing Don go, it will calm you. Two other dumbasses?
Hey guys, maybe the camera's cursed.
Yeah, if you get the photo, they eat you.
That would make a fine movie. A movie about picking up a cursed camera that kills everybody who walks around filming their dumbass.
Adventures
So-
with
Six
it.
friends went on a camping trip in Harlan, New York. They were never heard from again.
Wait, the movie restart?
So, yeah, it's like, wait a minute.
In loving memory, Rebecca, Donna, and John. We don't miss any of you, but Donna.
We knew you so little.
Rebecca wasn't bad.
Rebecca never had a chance. Well, she had terrible taste in men.
Well, yeah.
And also Donna.
Bye, Donna.
Well, Donna's was
You'll be
it was a lovable jerk.
Yeah.
Nobody will miss Jeff.
Oh.
Wait. Are they gonna do like
Hold on.
last few minutes of this to be like a
full-on Owen Mills here?
yeah?
Oh,
It's gonna be the funeral parlor reel.
Yeah, the funeral reel. Oh, let's
All in
look at
black and
highlights of these
Last
pretty people.
known.
All in black and white for some reason.
Last known pictures.
So artistic, it's nothing. Wolf House!
Wolf House.
She's a wolf. House. So that was Wolf House. I wouldn't say it was bad.
Not being the biggest fan of the found footage movies,
Yeah.
I have that bias going on it, but it wasn't that bad.
No.
Yeah, the last half of the movie was interesting, especially when the people start popping up out of nowhere, fucking with them. That
was a little.
I like those guys.
Who were they? Where'd they come from? Why were they there?
Nobody knew who they were.
Why
or
are
what they were doing?
Why are any of us here, Richard? We're here to watch Wild Eye movies. That's
we're
why
here
we're
to entertain the people watching, to sit here and watch us. And I'm sorry, this was a little difficult to do.
I'm sorry, can you honestly say we've made better life choices than the people in this movie?
Check it out, www.wildeyereleasing.com. Check us out, www.midnightmonstermovies.com. Click like and subscribe below, unless you've already clicked subscribe, because
Isn't
then
it above?
we don't want you to cancel out. So, yeah, the movie's was up here.
Movie's up there.
This time.
We're down there. Okay.
This was rated 2.9 out of 10 stars. Richard,
I had 3.
Do you think it deserved that?
I said it was going to be rated 3. So yeah, I think that's being generous, because there were some parts in it was interesting and compelling, but 70% of this movie made me want to vomit. So,
okay.
3 stars. I think that's fine.
I think it deserves a little more credit than that. They had some these. Hey, for practical effects, given what their budget probably was, I think they did all right.
Yeah.
In those terms, I mean, it's not my style of movie, but I'm going to give them a little more credit than saying they're at a 3.
So you think it deserves more than 2.9? Mel, do you think it deserves more than 2.9?
Yeah, I think it deserves a little more than 2.9. I think
you're saying it's average movie then.
I also believe that this was probably deserved a little bit more than 2.9. So, all right, well, that's okay. We'll do our ratings. All right, Richard, what do you rate it?
3 WTFs.
All right, JD, what do you rate it?
Zerp over a flurp.
Okay. Mel, what do you rate it?
I'm just trying to figure out what that number turns into. I give
don't
this
know long
7
math.
skinwalkers.
7 skinwalkers.
Oh, but you think they were skinwalkers?
Yeah.
Oh no,
they did kind of mention the Native Americans with the whole thing, yeah.
Oh.
So that would kind of work.
Wait a minute, Bob's up.
Sorry.
It's all right. I will give it a Wendigo, 2 lost tribes,
But no Sasquatch.
a Kippendorf tribe, and a whole bunch of Wolfsbane. Check us out next month. We hope you enjoy all of these. We do this for your entertainment and education. Go check out Wild Eye. Get some of these great movies they have there. Get some of the not so great movies they have there. Just get movies that are at wildeyereleasing.com. You're not going to be bored, at least, unless you get Showgirls 2.
Then you will want to kill them and then yourselves.
Yes.
I'd go with myself first.
Nah, I want to get them gone.
So, until next month, guys, bye.